Hey guys, this is Jaffry and today I'm going to teach you exactly how to make $25 really over and over, and you can do this every 15 minutes. This is really just placing ads. I'm going to give you my exact method that you can start using and implementing to start building you a full-time income online. My name is Jaffry Ward, and before we get started, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I teach different ways to make money online every single day. I come out with brand new content every single day. You can look forward to a video, so you also want to hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I drop a new video. This is a really simple method that we're going to be talking about today, but I do have other ways that you can make money online that are a little bit faster than this. So I'll also leave my top three money making apps in the description below, as well as a link to this particular thing that we're going to be talking about today in the description below. Everything that you need to do to join this to learn how you can make some more money, even watch some more videos, will be in the description below, available for you guys. So the proof is in the pudding. I've made over $338 using this system. This is called Earn Easy Commissions. Okay, this is really simple. It's free to sign up for. So before you start jumping, asking how much it costs, it's free to join. They do have a pro level, but I'm going to help you guys start making some money first, and then we're all going to go to the pro level around the 15th of June. This is just my first video on Earn Easy Commissions. I'm going to be doing some more some more official videos on this particular platform upcoming. But things you need to do: first of all, the link in the description below, you click that, you go over there, you sign up, you confirm your email. This is worldwide. Anybody can sign up. Now, in order to earn the $1 per lead commission, you're going to have to get users, you're going to have to get signups, or referrals that are in the United States, UK, Australia, and it's another one that I'm in Canada. You're gonna have to get referrals from those particular countries. But if you're somewhere if you're in Asia somewhere or India, you can definitely sign up for this. This is free to all. Everybody can sign up. Your leads would just have to be from those particular countries. You're gonna get paid $1 per lead. Once you sign up, once you go ahead and sign up, once you sign up, like I said, through the link below, you want to confirm your email address, and you want to sign in, and you want to watch. Sign in and watch the videos to learn more about the $1 CPA. You're basically going to get your link right here. This is my link. But when you sign up and when you watch the videos and learn more about the Earn Easy Commission system, you're going to get your own referral link right here. Okay. Anybody that you refer that comes through this link that are, like I said, are from one of those 5 countries, and that sign up through here and actually logs in, you're going to get $1 per person. Now, let me say this, because Earn Easy Commissions, like, it has been around for a while. They have went through the storms. They have been taken off PayPal. They've been on PayPal. I mean, they have went through all of the the ups and downs of a new internet marketing company. So you cannot fool these people by sending fake leads or fake traffic or fake thing, because they have a whole system in place now to combat that. So do not come in here trying to send fake traffic or trying to get fake leads, because it's not going to work, and you can get your account closed down. They are very good at that. They have came a long way since they first launched. So do not try to do that with this. But once you get a qualified member, which is the per lead system, which is one of those people from those countries that sign in and watches the video, once you get a qualified member, you have to earn a minimum of $20. So that means you need to get 20 referrals. In order to get a payout. You get paid weekly on Thursday. And if your commission is over $20, if they are still on hold, you can see I have $1 pending commission. You confirm your payout details. You choose where you want to get paid. Of course, I have PayPal. If you're somewhere in another country and you want to do some other type of method, you definitely want to check out where the payment details. They have a lot of payment details in there. I really just choose PayPal. So, like I said, once you sign up and once you learn more about the $1 CPA training and get your link, you want to watch pretty much all of the training. So I'm going to show you how it's going to look when you come here. They're going to give you a start here, and you're going to have a direct way to join the Facebook group where you can ask your questions and actually get your questions answered. You're going to be a team of, you're going to be around a team of community that are, you know, that are making money online. So this is really a really good way for you to start, you know, building a legit income. The only thing you're getting people to do, you're only getting people to register for earn easy commissions and basically confirm their email. Once they do that, once you get them going through your link, you're going to get paid $1 per person. So in order to make $25 in 15 minutes, you need to get 25 people, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But like I said about this part right here, you definitely want to go through all of these. You know, how to make your first dollar online. This training is very valuable. How to maximize your earnings. They're going to talk about the pro plan. The pro plan, they have a free plan and they have a pro plan. Now the pro plan is $750 to join. Now, if you don't have the money to join their pro plan, don't join it. Just join the free version and make $750 in this and in the other apps that I teach you guys about. I have different ways you can do that. And then once you make that amount of money, then you go to the pro plan. The pro plan is one time, so it's a one-time fee of $750. But like I said, if you just want to make the $1 commission, you just basically just stay on the free plan. You know, the free plan is available to everybody. So they have new updates, they have list building skills, and all of your referrals, everybody that you refer, you can actually come over here and actually see it. So I've referred over 1,852 people, and I can download that list. That's very important. It's very important that you have a list, of email list of people that you can email about different opportunities. So this is my referred list, user list. So these are all the people that have signed up through me on Earn Easy Commissions. I download this list and I basically take it to like Get Response or whatever. And now I have a list of 1,000 people that I can promote other things to. Okay. So this is very valuable. That's how you download your list. So all the people that you refer, if you want to get in contact with them, you can go over there to that list and just download it. Okay. So how do you start making some money with this? So you want to start promoting in Facebook groups. Let me go over to Facebook and actually show you how this looks. I'm gonna type in my name real quickly. And just go over here and actually show this to you guys so you guys can actually know exactly how to promote. So if I go to my posts, I give you an example post of how I promote on here. Let me just go to 2019. Okay, this is a promotion that I did on apps. Basically what you want to do is you want to basically switch this up. You say, I have a website that you can join for free. This website pays you $1 per person, and you want to include payment proof, and you want people to come in info if they want to learn more. So when they come in info, you just basically tell them about Earn Easy Commissions and you send them your link. How do you get some payment proof? Because payment proof is really you know, very important for you guys to start promoting on these Facebook groups. So you have people that are and including their payment proof in this actual back office. So you can just take these photos, you can save this image, hit save, you can save these images and go over here and post this image in there and actually say, hey, I have a way that you can earn money online for free. It's free to sign up. You earn $1 per referral. Comment info if you want to learn more. I'm just you know, freestyling off the top of my head of what you would post in one of these groups. You'll post that in the group. Anybody that's interested will contact you, and you basically just send them your link. Once if they're from the 5 countries and they actually sign up and actually confirm their account, you're going to get paid $1 per person that you do that. So you want to be posting these groups around 20 to 50 times per day and start getting referrals that way. And that is it's really out to it. That's how you start earning $25 every 15 minutes. The proof is in the pudding. A whole lot of people earn money with Earn Easy Commissions. You know, they're really good about this stuff. So, you know, if you really want to take this to the next level, I have earned, like I said, I've earned over $338 with this. So I know what I'm doing when it comes to this system. You definitely want to put in the time. The link to this will be in the description below. Go ahead and start making that money. This is free to sign up with. You're not paying anything. It's really free to sign up with. And I hope to see you guys earning a whole lot of money with Earn Easy Commissions soon. So that's all I got for you guys. You guys can check out more videos on how to make money online, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.